Hey guys, we are going to Walmart. We're here alone with my cousin, Jimmy. He might be featured on my channel. He's one of my subscribers. And I'm looking for this fidget toy, and it's like a snake looking one. And they usually have it. Okay. Let me see here. I'll flip y'all around. Okay. I'll let you know if I see it. I'm not seeing it. Dang, I'm not seeing it. I don't see it, guys. I don't see it. Dang it. But let's check the actual fidget section. Don't even know here. Let's check over here because this is like a lot of stuff. There's like some stuff that's like, this is like fidgety. We got mini brands if you're looking for mini brands. We don't have any needles yet? Why do we have needles? And I thought I said needles. I did not. I said needles. And I know y'all thought I said needles. It's the Baby Yoda section. Dreadful. I already have that one, and I have that one. There's another baby. Oh, I need to look at the dinosaur section real quick.
This one, which one should I?
If I get a new hoverboard, I think it's gonna be that baby blue one. Guys, I'm like really on the hunt for the snake. So I saw it the other day and it looked so cool. I was obsessed with it. And I really want to get it, and it's really disappointing that they don't have it anymore. What's this? I don't even know what that is, but I don't even care. Oh my god, did y'all hear that? Some little kid screaming their little head out. I don't see it, guys. I'm disappointed. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I really wanted that. I only got it the other day. They could have had it. They literally had it the other day. I didn't get it, but let's see if they have anything else that I might want in the fidget section. And what's this? It's cute. It's so cute. Nothing for nobody. Financial hoodies, nothing. Nothing, nothing. We just have Tony Storm everywhere. Anyway, all they have is Tony Storm. When am I really gonna bring Wood Morgan? Because I need the other Wood Morgan. I think I'm saying a basically, I don't know if we're gonna bring credit stores, but sorry if you could barely hear me. I'm wearing a big mask and it's like hard to breathe out of. Excuse me. Anybody have it down here? This would look like a little section for fidgets.
Yeah, we're not gonna get enough dog, we're just gonna get accessories.
I want this.
Here, give me the machine.
I thought so.
Give me them both.
Because this have like these ASMR bars, not nothing. What's this? Oh. I thought it was something about Baby Yoda. No. Oh, also guys, let's go look for some Baby Yoda stuff. Because I'm obsessed with Baby Yoda. I will see y'all in a second. Okay guys, so they totally didn't have nothing in the toys for fidgets. We're gonna look for some other places that might have some other fidget stuff. don't know if they would, but they should. You're gonna check the baby section for a simple dimple. And yeah, y'all get to come with me because I'm vlogging. I don't wanna. I'm trying to be on the low side because I don't want to get caught filming. I hate wearing masks. They're just too hot. Sorry you can barely see anything. And I'm walking real fast because there's a lot of people and I don't want to get caught vlogging. We're like right here. Right here. And I'm trying to get back there. Take forever. And we're trying to get back here. Okay, we're at the baby section. So I'm gonna flip y'all around. Okay, guys. If y'all know where the dimple would be, let me know. Should be like right here or something. I don't know where it would be. I'm pretty sure only Target has that. I watched a video and it said in the bouncer area. Where are the bouncers for the babies? Where is that? Because I don't even know. That would look like the perfect place for where it would be. Excuse me. Do y'all have the dimple for babies? It's
The
like
what?
a simple dimple for babies.
Dimple?
Yeah.
What is it called again?
Simple dimple. It's like a big dimple for babies. It's usually in the baby section.
Oh, are those like popping toys?
Yeah, it's for babies though. I
They're
don't know if you
showing-
would have any.
They're showing they're online.
Online?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I totally have them, but only online. I'm gonna ask this girl right here. Hold on. I have to go online or the next time I go to Target. I'm like really looking for simple dimple, so. Well, I'm not gonna. And I'm sorry I'm not using my tripod. I can't find it. Well, it's not that I can't find it. I think I left it at Brayley's house. So, yeah. Totally left it at Brayley's house. Now I gotta find my family at. I need to know where they're at. They said they'd be in the basketball section. Because we're having a cookout tonight. And don't forget, tonight is takeover. So, I'm gonna leave the results. Okay. See them. I'll turn it around. They are right there. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget today is takeover. So subscribe, like, and peace.